Flying News, Supreme Master Ching Hai International Association Relief News Update from Haiti. For the first time since the destructive 7.0 magnitude earthquake hit on January 12, the Haitian government is reopening some of the nation's schools, bringing a sense of stability and comfort to many traumatized children. However, schools in the worst-hit Port-au-Prince are not expected to resume for many months, as Haiti struggles to recover from the disaster that took some 170,000 lives and left 1 million homeless and in need of food, water and medical attention.
We are at the Saint-Michel hospital in Jacmel. This hospital serves the community of Jacmel and 4 or 5 other surrounding communities. This hospital has been almost entirely destroyed from the January 12th earthquake. Right now, some of the buildings are so structurally unsound that they cannot even house patients.
This is where they keep the elderlies.
Okay.
Completely destroyed. It's completely destroyed.
Right.
And then I think this morning, not that I think, I know for a fact that this morning they found a 24-day-old baby. A dog found him under the maternity ward that fell
under
down.
The rubble.
Under the rubble.
Wow,
She's alive. We're trying to contact the mother.
We're taking care of a lot of trauma injuries, mainly orthopedic injuries, fractures, open fractures, closed fractures in all age groups. We're seeing infants with fractures, a lot of young children. We're also seeing wounds that are infected. We just finished draining a big infection on a 3-year-old's neck.
With her heartfelt sorrow and concern for the victims, Supreme Master Ching Hai has made several donations, thus far totaling $60,000, while asking our association's relief team to go render aid through pain medications as well as surgical and medical services. Combined with donations from our International Association members, the total contributions for relief is now over $247,000, which could purchase $8.8 million in essential supplies if obtained in the United States based on the cost of living in Haiti.
Covering most of their own travel expenses, our association's relief team members went from the United States, Indonesia and other countries to the afflicted regions. In their work with the Dominican Civil Defense, Haitian Red Cross, and Mr. David Canther's active community team serving, or ACTS, they continue to provide desperately needed supplies and post-operative care, as well as preparing more than 2,000 vegan meals daily. In accordance with Supreme Master Ching Hai's request for updates, the following report is from our association's relief team in Haiti.
That we treated a Haitian woman
La vie continue pour nous. La vie continue.
January 28, 2010, regarding earthquake in Haiti. Dear beloved Master, today we provided 1,100 breakfasts and 700 dinner meals for the hospital staff, patients and their families at the Dikini Hospital Adventiste in Carrefour. The recipients were overwhelmingly positive in their responses, with many saying that they look forward to their next nourishing meal. Many non-vegetarians were pleasantly surprised at how delicious the food was and indicated that they could become a vegan if such food was readily available. Starting tomorrow, the cooking team will be providing 1,200 meals twice a day.
At an outpatient clinic, we joined with other medical providers to offer free services for hundreds of patients who would otherwise have no access to health care. More and more ailments associated with the exposure of living outside in tents are starting to be seen, such as skin, eye, respiratory and gastrointestinal infections.
Many patients, including children, are complaining of stress-related headaches. At the moment, we have enough medicine and equipment, with more pain medication arriving very soon, thanks to Master's most recent contribution. We were also very blessed to be working with the Haitian translators, who are exceptionally helpful and dedicated. One translator related that although his uncle's entire family was lost in the quake, he was able to free his daughter after she had been trapped for 8 hours beneath their house. When asked why he was working with us, he said simply that he loves the Haitian people and wants to help in any way he can.
During this critical time for humanity, the relief recipients have also conveyed their deep appreciation for Master's aid. We would like to add our heartfelt gratitude to Master for giving us the honor to share her unconditional love with those most in need. Relief Team in Haiti.
We are grateful to Supreme Master Ching Hai for permitting us to share these details to our viewers, as well as to our association's foreign group for providing this report.
Our appreciation all governments, groups and individuals for your united efforts to assist the Haitian people. We also thank Supreme Master Ching Hai for her attentive care of the distressed, and our association's relief team for their diligent endeavors. Our prayers are with the victims in wishing for their protection and smooth recovery, as humanity's consideration for all beings helps ensure our planetary balance.